Are you feeling sluggish, dealing with bloating, or noticing unexplained fatigue? You might be thinking it's just stress or diet, but the real culprit could be lurking in your kidneys. Most people believe their kidneys are fine as long as they're not in pain. But what if I told you that this misconception could be putting your health at risk? Today, we're going to challenge everything you thought you knew about kidney health and introduce you to some groundbreaking detox methods you've likely never even heard of. Stay tuned because these methods could be the key to revitalizing your energy and health. Your kidneys work tirelessly, filtering over 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing toxins, and keeping your body in balance. But with the barrage of pollutants, processed foods, and stress in our modern lives, your kidneys can easily get overwhelmed. You might not realize it, but your kidneys could be underperforming right now, leading to fatigue, water retention, and other hidden health issues. Detoxing your kidneys is more than just a health fad. It's a critical step in improving your overall well-being. And today, I'm going to reveal some of the most effective kidney detox methods that are not only simple, but also incredibly powerful. But here's the twist. These aren't your typical detox tips. Ready to find out how to give your kidneys the cleanse they truly need? Number 1. Hydration done right. Everyone knows drinking water is essential, but did you know that how you hydrate could be the difference between helping or harming your kidneys? Most people think drinking any kind of water at any time is enough, but if you're gulping down water only when you're thirsty, you're already too late. The trick is in consistent, controlled hydration. Drinking small amounts of water throughout the day keeps your kidneys functioning optimally and prevents the formation of kidney stones. But wait, what type of water is best? Stay with me because I'm about to reveal the surprising answer that could transform your kidney health. Number 2. Lemon water with a twist. Lemon water is often touted as a morning detox miracle. But did you know that adding a specific ingredient could exponentially increase its effectiveness? Most people think lemon alone is enough, but the truth is, pairing it with just a dash of baking soda can supercharge your detox. This combination not only helps alkalize your body, but also breaks down toxins more efficiently, reducing your kidneys' workload. But how much baking soda should you use? And when is the best time to drink this mix? I'll reveal that crucial detail in just a moment. Number 3. Herbal teas. A hidden power. You've probably heard that herbal teas are great for your health. But did you know that specific teas can directly target kidney detoxification? Most people rely on green tea or chamomile, believing they're doing enough for their kidneys. But the real game changers are dandelion and nettle teas. These aren't just diuretics. They're packed with vital nutrients that actively support kidney function and detoxify your system. But there's a catch. Only one of these teas should be consumed daily to avoid overloading your kidneys. Curious to know which one it is? Keep watching to find out. Are you finding these tips helpful? If you are, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us reach more people who could benefit from these kidney detox methods. Number 4. Cranberry juice. Not just for UTIs. Cranberry juice is widely known for preventing urinary tract infections. But what if I told you it's also a powerhouse for kidney health? Many people dismiss it, thinking it's only good for the bladder. However, cranberry juice contains compounds that actually help flush out excess oxalate and prevent the formation of kidney stones. But here's the twist. Not all cranberry juices are created equal. The key lies in choosing the right type, and there's a common mistake that could render this remedy ineffective. Stay tuned, and I'll tell you what to look for. Number 5. Superfood smoothies. The secret ingredient. Smoothies are a favorite health hack, but are you adding the right ingredients to boost your kidney health? Most people load up on fruits and think they're doing their body a favor, but if you're not including parsley or cilantro in your smoothie, you're missing out on some serious detox power. These herbs help to eliminate heavy metals and other toxins that can burden your kidneys. But there's a fine line. Too much can have the opposite effect. I'll explain how to get the perfect blend in just a minute. Number 6. Beet juice, the surprising kidney protector. Beet juice is often praised for heart health, but did you know it can also be a secret weapon for your kidneys? Many people overlook beets, thinking they're too high in sugar or oxalates to be beneficial. But the truth is, beets are rich in betaine, a compound that helps reduce calcium buildup and supports kidney function. However, drinking beet juice the wrong way could actually do more harm than good. There's a specific time and method to consume it to get the best results. Stick around and I'll reveal how. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar, the hidden kidney detoxifier. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a well-known remedy for digestion. But did you know it can also play a crucial role in kidney detoxification? Most people think ACV is just for balancing stomach acids, but its acetic acid content helps dissolve kidney stones and prevent them from forming. However, not all ACV is created equal, and there's a common mistake people make that can reduce its effectiveness. Want to know how to maximize ACV's detox benefits for your kidneys? The answer might surprise you. Enjoying these unique kidney detox methods. Make sure you don't miss out on any future tips. Subscribe to HealthFlex and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload new health insights to keep your body in top shape. Number 8. Turmeric ginger elixir, a potent combo. Turmeric and ginger are superstars in the world of natural remedies, but together they create an elixir that's particularly powerful for kidney detox. Many people believe these spices are only good for inflammation or digestion, but their combined anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties directly benefit the kidneys by reducing inflammation and supporting detox pathways. But there's a key to unlocking their full potential, and it's all about how you prepare this elixir. I'll share the optimal way to use this powerful combo in just a moment. Number 9. Watermelon detox, more than just hydration. Watermelon is often seen as just a hydrating summer fruit, but it's actually a potent kidney detoxifier. Most people eat it for its refreshing taste, but few realize that its high water and potassium content help flush out toxins and maintain electrolyte balance, crucial for kidney function. However, if you're consuming it the wrong way, you might be missing out on its full detox benefits. I'm about to tell you the best way to incorporate watermelon into your diet for maximum kidney health. Number 10. Berries, the unsung kidney heroes. Berries are often celebrated for their antioxidant properties, but did you know they're also incredible for kidney health? Many people think of them as just a tasty snack, but berries like blueberries and strawberries help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. The catch: not all berries are created equal when it comes to kidney detox. There's a specific variety that stands out above the rest. Stay with me, and I'll reveal which one should be your go-to for kidney protection. Now that we've gone through all the top kidney detox methods, it's time to uncover the secrets we teased earlier. From the best type of water for hydration to the ultimate spice that supercharges your turmeric ginger elixir, let's dive into the details that could make all the difference in your kidney health. Stay with us as we reveal these powerful tips that will take your detox game to the next level. 1. Hydration done right. The best type of water for optimal kidney health is pure, filtered water. Avoid tap water that may contain chlorine and other chemicals. Drinking filtered water consistently throughout the day, about 8 ounces every hour, is the key to keeping your kidneys flushed and functioning optimally. 2. Lemon water with a twist. To supercharge your lemon water, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This combination helps alkalize your body and enhances the detox process. The best time to drink this is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your kidney detox for the day. 3. Herbal teas, a hidden power. Nettle tea is the one you should consume daily, as it's packed with minerals that support kidney function. However, to avoid overwhelming your kidneys, limit yourself to just 1 cup a day and alternate with dandelion tea a few times a week for a balanced approach. 4. Cranberry juice. Not just for UTIs. The most effective cranberry juice for kidney health is unsweetened, 100% pure cranberry juice. Avoid juices with added sugars or other ingredients, as these can negate the benefits. Aim to drink about 8 ounces of this juice a day for best results. 5. Superfood smoothies. The secret ingredient. To get the perfect blend, add a small handful of parsley or cilantro to your smoothie, but limit it to 2 to 3 times a week. These herbs are potent detoxifiers, but too much can stress your kidneys. Balance them with hydrating fruits like cucumber and watermelon for a smooth detox experience. 6. Beet juice, the surprising kidney protector. To maximize the benefits of beet juice for your kidneys, drink 1/4 cup of fresh beet juice mixed with water on an empty stomach once a week. This helps reduce calcium buildup and supports kidney function without overloading your system. 7. Apple cider vinegar, the hidden kidney detoxifier. To get the most out of apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using organic and filter the CV with the mother still in it. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and drink it before meals. This routine not only aids digestion but also helps prevent kidney stone formation. 8. Turmeric ginger elixir, a potent combo. To prepare the optimal turmeric ginger elixir, simmer 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 inch of fresh ginger in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink it warm, ideally in the evening. This timing helps your body detoxify while you sleep. 9. Watermelon detox, more than just hydration. For the best results, eat watermelon in the morning or early afternoon when your body is most active. This timing helps your kidneys efficiently flush out toxins and maintain electrolyte balance. Aim to consume about 2 cups of fresh watermelon during the season. 10. Berries, the unsung kidney heroes. The berry that stands out for kidney protection is the blueberry. Rich in antioxidants, they reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. Include a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries in your diet daily to boost your kidney health. And there you have it, 10 powerful kidney detox methods you've probably never tried before. These techniques don't just help cleanse your kidneys. They can also rejuvenate your energy, improve your overall health, and protect your body from hidden toxins. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is more than just drinking water. It's about making informed choices that support your body's natural detoxification processes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HealthFlex, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. Share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from a kidney detox. And before you go, I've got another must-watch video for you. These 8 foods heal kidneys faster than you think. I promise you'll be surprised by what's on that list. Click on the link and start boosting your kidney health today.